Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can forward a specific email to multiple email users. We can do this by just simply enabling the basic email forwarding. By simple forwarding, it will only forward to one particular email and it will forward all your emails. So in our case, we just want to forward a particular email to many email addresses. To complete this task, we are going to use Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate is free for Office 365 users. If you click here the menu, and here you will see the Power Automate. So this is the main dashboard of Power Automate, and then we will click on flows, and then we will create a new flow. So here we will click on template. So as we are going to forward a specific email to multiple email address, so here we will click on email, and then we will search forward with or without and click enter, and then click on this option. If you didn't sign in before, then you have to click here. The option will appear to sign in, put your username and password, and then click continue. So here the first flow is when a new email arrives. So we will delete this one and we will add a trigger, and here we will write once new email arrives, when a new email arrive v3. Okay, here if you click on this, on the left side you will see the advanced parameters. From the advanced parameters you have to select from, and then the from option will appear here. If you click on it, here it will show you enter custom value. So here we will write the email which we want to forward to other emails. So I am mentioning my personal email. What does this mean? That whenever my inbox will get the notification of a new email from this email, it will forward automatically to the other emails as well. So include attachments, we will click yes. Importance, it's up to you. If you want to put high, put on high, and we will remove this one, and we have to select inbox. In my case it's already selected. Now we will move to the next step, which is send an email. So here we will mention the email address which we want to receive the emails. Again we will click here enter custom value, and we will mention the email address. We are all good. Now we will remove this last option, move email, and we will keep mark as a read. And then if you see on the right top corner, there is an option called save. If we click save, you see your flow is ready to go. We recommend you to test it. So now this flow is saved. If we go back under my flows, got it, this is the one which we just created. So again, if you want to add another email, go to edit, go to send an email, and add an email address again here by just simply put this symbol and then add another email, and again you have to click save. By this way you can enable the flows. Here if you see in the templates under the mail, there are a lot of flows which you can explore and you can enable as per your needs. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.